LDR couples who are married or engaged. What can you expect upon becoming our client? All couples receive a friendly and informative consultation, free of charge. Not all couples are alike, each case may need more or less requirements. We begin the process by providing the couples with a biodata collection application. Each couple will receive an online biodata collection link in their email. There is a biodata application for the sponsor, and one for the beneficiary. Probably one of the most critical parts of the process is to provide USCIS with correct information about yourself. The importance of correct spelling, correct dates, and correct addresses is an absolute must. Our team will carefully inspect each and every answer to all of the questions asked on the USCIS application before we allow anything to be submitted. Your information is kept locked in our Bitdefender vault, and is never shared or sold to any third-party sources. We take this very seriously, and treat each case as if it was our own. Once you have started your online biodata application, you may find that all required information will take time for you to get. At the bottom of the application, you can save it, if you're not yet ready to submit it yet. Next, we will guide and put together each couple's introductory letter, as required. The sponsor will also be guided on how to complete the INB declaration letter. Once we have all of your biodata collected, our team will start putting all of your applications together. Each member of our team is highly experienced in a certain part of the process. In compliance with USCIS, we make sure that we gather the latest version of each application. To ensure a smooth process, we also use the latest version of Adobe Acrobat Reader. Our team will carefully put your application together in a timely manner. 3 pair of eyes will inspect your application once it is done to ensure completeness and correct information. The next steps are for the couple to also inspect the completed applications that will be sent to you in an email. It is very important that the couple look over the information on all of the paperwork. The filing of your application at USCIS is the first crucial step in having a smooth process. Next, we will email a step-by-step set of instructions that explain what other required items will be needed to go with all of your forms. The sponsor will be the one who will send everything to USCIS. Then, we email the sponsor a step-by-step layout on how to properly mail in the application for final processing. After USCIS received your application, we will instruct you on what will be done next. We will also communicate with each couple about how USCIS communicates with you. All couples will be able to communicate with us anytime of any questions and concerns you may have. After USCIS has finally approved your application, we will begin the process of preparing for the medical and U.S. Embassy interview. We will communicate with the beneficiary about the required items to collect for their medical examination. Also, we will communicate with the sponsor and the beneficiary about other required items to be used at the interview. Our senior consultant will assist the U.S. sponsor with their financial affidavit of support and other financial records needed according to your particular case. Now is time for the medical and interview guidance. After the couple has followed our instructions by gathering the required items, and the NVC National Visa Center has issued your case number, things will begin to move quickly. We will schedule your interview. Next, we will instruct you when to go for your medical. Then, After the beneficiary has successfully completed the medical examination, we will then conduct an online case file review and mock interview, to ensure that the beneficiary is ready for the interview. Once the visa has been issued, our team will prepare the beneficiary for the international flight. We will instruct which items to prepare for the U.S. Customs and Border Patrol upon your arrival into the United States. We will prepare you on how to answer any questions that the officer may ask you. You may also have questions for us about food, gifts, or your own personal belongings that you can bring into the United States. Once the two of you are reunited on U.S. soil, we would have completed our task. However, if you are a K-1 visa couple, the next process after your marriage would be to start processing the change of status to allow the beneficiary to become a legal permanent resident. This is it for now. We hope the video was helpful in explaining how we can help couples from start to finish in the visa process.